And recovered. We're in Forest Falls. Somebody was in a ditch. I was waiting from the fine owner. I've been sitting down there about an hour, but they straighten that camera out a little bit. I just went to come up the hill, and I guess it would look like a female driver. She called a friend, I guess, and come got her. But I posted on the Forest Falls group, said, "Hey, I'm here with a winch. I'm sitting here helping. I got the flashers on to help protect them on this blind corner here." It started snowing about an hour ago, 45 minutes ago. It's starting to come down pretty good. It was sideways snows for a bit, but it's kind of got a lighter snow now. Well, I wouldn't say lighter. It's kind of a moderate, smaller flakes. But they've already got 8-10 inches up here, and they look like they're going to get some more. But she was just, her front left wheel was on Valley of the Falls Drive, but the butt end of the truck was, the other three wheels were in the ditch. She must have cut this corner short and just slipped over into the ditch. Because the roads were good when I came up at, 5:30? I came up here about 2 o'clock. The roads were paved, clear. You know, there was just a little, where the snow was melting on it, but now they're snowy and it's going to get icy here. I got 36 degrees on the truck thermometer. I guess he's going to make sure she can get away. She might have trouble on that hill right. There's a hill right across the bridge up here. We'll go up and see if she can make it up the hill. I'll go talk to this guy because I've been waiting to see if anybody knew who the owner was. When I went by, there was nobody here, and I figured I could pop her out of there pretty easy. He popped her out real easy with a little tow strap. Yeah, she just needed to get popped back up on the Valley of the Falls, the highway. But the gray truck has been recovered. The guy right here in a blue, what is that, a blue Tundra? Stage out of area for law enforcement. Probably a friend. I just saw 2 cars go by here. I was surprised to see them sitting like that blocking the highway, because 2 cars, well, the one guy went flying downbound. He's videoing with his camera, holding it up, and he almost put in the ditch. When he hit the curve down there, he went and started to go in the ditch. I thought, well, there he goes. And he saved it, just barely. And then a car just went by me coming upbound that was flying. I ain't kidding you, like going 50. And I pulled out right behind them, kind of figuring they're going to go in the ditch. And came around the corner. These guys he was pulling her out. That one that was flying, I wanted to ask him what happened with that car. They must have really hit the brakes so they didn't run into them. If they were hooking up to pull her out, they might have pulled her out after that hot rod in the white SUV went flying through here. Yeah, you got to slow down. Put the cell phones down, and when it's wet, rainy weather, he's got chains on. Yeah, he's got chains on. He's doing good. I'm in. Well, am I in 4 high? Yeah, I'm in 4 high. I haven't slipped yet, but it's gonna. When it gets down 34, 32, it's gonna ice up. I'm probably not gonna stay up here late. I'd have to chain up if I did. The chain check is down at Bryant. The highway's closed. Residents can come up with an ID. They're letting people down to go get groceries, the residents, and then you can come back up if you're a resident. I'm wondering if she's going to try this hill. Here's the bridge. You got to be careful on this bridge. But there's a hill. See how she's making a left? And she's going to climb up the hill. I'm curious to see if she can make that hill, because I don't think she's chained up. She may be 4-wheel drive, but that hill, you got to get a run at it, and hopefully they put some. The road grader is down there in the laydown yard. I just saw there's 2 road graders. Dave said 2 road graders, and there's a front loader I saw working. And coming down the hill's a trick too. You start sliding and whoa. That guy chained up, I didn't see. This guy's got his rears chained up. I chained my front. I want to see if they can make it. The other night, I think it was Thursday night, they had a propane truck in here that got stuck, and then a guy come flying down and slid into him and hit him. Yeah, they're getting up the hill okay, it looks like. here or not. Yeah, it went through. I gotta turn my windshield defrost back on.
Hi, this is Jeff. I'm sorry I missed your call, but if you let me know you called, I will get back to you as soon as I can.
Hey, amigo. Hey, I'm down the hill. They got that gray pickup out. Some kind of blue Tundra got her out. Yanked her with a strap. So I'm down here at the end of the street. I was going to see if you wanted some company for a couple minutes, but I'm going to turn around. I'm going to head back down maybe. It's snowing pretty good. The road's getting pretty slick here over by the laydown yard coming up to here. Talk to you later. See you. I'll make a post on the group that they got her out. Looked like a female driver. She's they got up the hill too. I followed them up and they made it up the hill, you know, above the bridge. It all looks good. See ya. Bye. Yeah, I'm going to turn around here if I can. I got to get out of here because that's a downhill. You don't want to sit long on a downhill because if somebody comes sliding, a lot of people are up here without chains, and if they come sliding down, they're going to get me broadside. I got to go down and use the bathroom too. Oh. Yeehaw! Oh, I didn't get that right wiper changed. I got my left one changed. I think I left it on the driveway last night when I was unloading. I was laying on the seat. I think I threw it out as trash. It's laying by my trash cans. I got to put it. I hope I didn't throw it away. I'll have to dumpster dive to get my new wiper out. Let me see if I can get this. Oh, wiper, that hurt. Wiper smacked me. Ow, broke my fingernail. Wasn't thinking about it. I didn't think it was going to come over that far. Broke a little bit of the nail. Let me kick this down in a second because, boy, it's getting slick. I can't believe that white SUV, I ain't kidding you, like 50 miles an hour. I thought, man, it's awful slick. Because they're going uphill. The guy going downhill, he was, around his corner, he was looking at his phone. And I thought, what are you doing, fool? It's snowing. Yeah, right there's where they pulled him out, right there. Well, you guys saw it. I popped the video on, I think, just in time to catch the recovery. Oh, come on, wiper, don't do that. You're going to drive me crazy. My left one's good. It's the right one's dried out. The Rain-X one, it's finally dried out, but I'm going to hit this. Oh, that's nasty. They moved the cinder pile. Dave said it's not where the old cinder pile was. It's up in the yard here. Let me see if I can do this again. Make this turn. And they were plowing this. Mr. Road Grader guy was plowing this. Yeah, he plowed. Yeah. I want to come in here. Be right back. Oh, that's cold on the Willie. Joey don't like that. God dang, is that cold. Joey don't like getting out in the snow. Joey's like, You fool. Go someplace where there's a bathroom. Woo! Ah, dude. I don't think he's ever gonna forgive me for that. We'll go down. Actually, let me post that they got that guy out. I gotta post real fast that we've been looking for the owner. Why is that so messed up on the, oh, that's the far bank. I thought I had dirt on my windshield. It's the far bank you're looking at. Let me get a picture that they recovered that Tundra, or that, I think it was a Toyota. Whoa, is that guy sliding? He looked like he was sliding. He got to do his hubs? What's going on with doing his windshield? The guy there, the county road guy just went by me. He got out and he's doing something to his hood. I thought he was sliding. He may have been sliding. He might have been, looked like he was clearing something up, but probably on his hood. Yeah, you got to keep all the snow off your hood because it'll fly up and blind you. That's maybe what happened. He may have got blinded by the, it's pretty much, I don't know if you can see the snow, but it's blowing sideways up here. It's getting pretty gnarly. Let nobody know that this the Tundra's out. Don't need the owner. It looked like it was a lady that was driving it. And they made it up the hill. Okay. That's some wicked. It's sideways. No, this is blizzard now. Almost. Yeah, that's, see how it's sideways because it gets windy up here on its own. But boy, that's some nasty ass blizzard stuff coming in. I'll get out of here in a second. Boy, my windshield's getting covered. I gotta get some water too. I'm out of horchata, whatever it was I got there. That's so damn good. Chamurra, maybe it wasn't horchata. weird. I forgot I still had this video going, but see the white balance has turned blue. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down because 20 minutes. I'm trying to keep it at 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. That's the report from Forest Falls, 5:30 Saturday. I thought it was Sunday, but it's Saturday, February 25th. See ya.